Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you clear.
Okay.
So, uh, just a little bit. Few other students are also interested in this course. So, according to the professor, they have come to see the first time presentation
Yeah.
to see if they can be able to take the course. Then the professor will pay. He said he will pay for the rest of them because they don't want to do it alone. So they are here.
So I hope after completing this full 7 days training session, then you can easily understand all of the things. Yeah. So now,
Yeah. So they just came to observe today,
yeah.
and I don't know. I wanted to project it so that they can see it clear because they want to understand how it works. Then by tomorrow we can reach their payment process to you.
Okay. Okay. No problem. So we will start our today's session. Yeah.
Okay, so let me join from my other check again. Okay.
Okay. So you just send the link with your other friends who also join with us. No problem.
Okay. So
Okay.
Tashu was 5 remember.
Okay.
Tamen Young Ichi Zai.
你可以发我。
Okay.
Just join this link, then it will be okay. Okay.
Okay. I copied the link already.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What was I? 这个是QQ 里面吗？ Okay. Add me. So they came to. I'm strong. 老师等我们的。快。Yeah, you add me. We lit. You know we lit already, so. Okay.
Is Armstrong?
Yeah, I'm strong.
Yes. 有了。Okay.
QQ 里面吗？
Yeah. Is not this you? You have another number?
OK， 这个吗？
Yeah. No.
OK，
Go.
这个可以。有吗？这个是狗狗的。Professor, you have to approve the access. That is
Yeah. So you can just join the link, then I also approve the access. No problem.
Google. You are Google 吗？
这个电脑没有这个打开这个可以按可以把这个手机分享到没有一个没有谷歌。
这个电脑。
有，显得你会投屏吗？来把这两个比较。
这是投哪个？
这个没有投现在。上面这个有的电脑，对，这个没有。这个看看能不能打开。
So just wait a bit and we beat it.
我插上了已经。插上了吗？这高兴这个高兴红吗？但是它怎么？我们摁个配件。Control。
这个有 VPN。
这个有，那你投这个吧。
两个有 VPN 可以，这个可以。这个 WiFi。No, use this. 这个可以。
I need a VPN. You are computer.
这个有 VPN 一样的。
我开了，不是这个需要啊。
We're a bit late, I know, but it's the first day, we're trying to set up.
We can see.
Yeah. Tashu 13 them. 大家看一下。
You can.
No,
You
check
can
it.
you can use it.
This.
这个是这里。哦，这个是这里。
Oh.
来看了。
Nothing wrong.
Hey, stop for other.
这个有吗？
Yes, yes. 你可以考虑一下，打那个他们，分这边的边，我这个按那个边上去。你每次都亲爱的。没有吗？
不是这个网是家里的网。
是。
OK。
连通的。
Yes。
一般那个一般都是那个版本。
哦。
为啥要一个月多啊？真的？不考挺厉害。
So are you all ready?
Yeah, we're trying to sort it out. Just give a few minutes. We'll be okay. Connect.
Okay, so try to fast.
Okay. We're connecting the VPN. You know, bit the bit.
你帮我把我的充电器拿下来好不好？
这些呢？
就是我下面有一个苹果。
大叔话这个，
我的。
他的话很好。He's going to speak. You're going to understand. It's okay.
Oh, is it Chinese?
No English. Very. 这个 this course don't have too many. It's practical. 大叔我们读一读。Yeah， 快一点。
Maybe we will have.
在 ，yeah， 在写很多。
没有啊，这是不一样。
他的作业 practical. It's good.
Maybe we have some paper to read up.
He's gonna send everything to us. Yeah. So you just see. Then tomorrow you talk to Professor John.
你们还得买个翻墙软件。翻墙。
Okay. So I think we can start now. Let me send it quick to my WeChat.
Okay, so let me just connect and just access. Just click to the link and then I will give the access. No problem. Ready?
Okay, I'm trying to do it now.
Maybe your computer can scroll your voice.
Okay, so now are you all ready?
No, just a few minutes. I'm trying to access my WeChat.
You can close the chat.
Fine. I don't know. I send it. I send.
网址是吗？
Okay. It's trying to go through. Maybe it's too slow.
Now, are you ready?
Just give a few minutes. Like we try to get the VPN. Getting VPN is kind of bit difficult.
Okay.
Because the VPN, like
Okay. So we try to
yeah,
this.
I tried pasting into another network, another browser, but well, that's for you. Take a bushy text and meeting with that Google the. This is Google Meet.
You can sell your phones.
Oh, in the phone.
You can log in your Teams number and we can see the teacher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see teacher, yeah, but I want it to be big so that everybody can see.
Just log in your Teams meeting in your phone. Yes, in your phone.
And you can put your screen with big screen.
Oh.
Yeah. So just leave your
Thanks for meeting.
Teams.
Do I have?
Do you have?
现在电脑 VPN 都很不好用。
现在。
Yes. Send meet. 他手机上没有腾讯会，只有从 APP 线下。OK。
要不直接手机。
这个是腾讯会议吧？无微 meeting。
Yes.
可以吗？
You expect to sign in your Teams meeting.
现在没 I don't know. I can try go back now. Millie Chen.
音乐党员挺好的，这是上课，就是上课，然后对，本来上课挺快的，然后我们那个单位是讲好久，就是
后面啊，只有那个老师
啊，
什么说？就像那个记忆的老师。
记忆的。
这个。
新登我账号 ，OK 哦 ，log in my account first。
So now, are you able to join?
No, just a minute.
Okay.
You Chinese is really very good.
他的手机好像不太行，就是他这个国际版只能登，不能登中国的手机号。
为什么？
Could this 没有 Log in with your phone number.
Yes.
You are expected you use your international phone, not Chinese phone. Chinese phone is not okay for this application.
Why?
For the application限制, yes,
Oh.
forbidden.
Nobody have. You don't have Google on your phone. I shared the meeting already. 你们用手机可以 I share in the QQ, so everybody can just join.
QQ 可以分享吗？
我发给你们的。Just click on it, go straight to the meeting. 我们一起看老师可以。
我有 VPN，但是我的 VPN 不一定跟我用。
你们没有 VPN？ 如果你们有这个手机 to mirror, they get there's a program in this. 我的手机 There's a way they can mirror the phone to the computer, to the TV. How can I do it? Do you have idea? Yeah. Oh, okay, I know what's up already. I think I can mirror my phone to the computer.
Maybe your phone can connect with this computer.
No, you can connect directly with this. 我们的手这个可以吗 ？Do this.
Oh, this. 但是现在没有那个，它直接。
We have delayed a lot of time. For almost 2 hours, almost an hour now.
So how much time do you need for connecting?
The VPN gave me some problem. That's the problem.
Okay.
You know, this place is a high research environment, so sometimes.
So it's already covered the 40 minutes.
Yeah, but no problem. It's just the first day. We make up for it. Everybody excited to see what you coming to present.
Maybe you can use the light to do this one to your computer and this in your phone.
We disconnect it.
Maybe. Or just if you what Wi-Fi do you?
这个没有 VPN, so.
你 VPN.
这个一样 like I can connect the phone like this to this.
And just put this in this, and this is connect with this. So you can connect your phone with your computer, and your computer has.
Can you do it? Let's do it now.
But I don't know how to.
If this is a Chinese phone, it's a 这个是中国的手机可以，这个是苹果的。
Okay, so one person is connected now.
Okay.
So now we will start, yeah?
可以投电脑啊。
Okay.
主要他们两个的网是一样，应该可以直接投啊。为什么这个触摸感不行？这个连网线，手机连。应该是这个，是这个。
So now can you see my screen?
No, we haven't seen your screen yet.
Now?
没有，这里是一个不行。
Oh, okay.
Your Wi-Fi.
Okay.
This
Now can you see my
Wi-Fi
screen?
and
Yeah.
This Wi-Fi
This is-
same.
yeah.
It's the same. And you can.
Okay. So now can you see my screen?
直接跑上了，直接
Hello?
那只要
Okay. Just a bit, Rachel. We're trying to connect this thing because a lot of the students are not having access because they don't have VPN. So it will just be my 1 year. So I want them to get access because they are also interested in signing up for it.
Okay.
这个可以直接投吗？为什么？
So let's just,
镜像吗
even if it's 1 hour today, it will be okay for us. But let's get it.
？Screen.
So now can you see my screen? Yeah.
Oh, screen memory. Check it, man.
No. You can connect this and this.
Hello.
But
Oh.
and this frame is in this.
Oh, okay, okay.
Maybe you can.
We're trying to solve the problem. Check the screen mirror.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Just a little bit. We're trying to get the problem solved.
Okay.
Check it, man.
So now can you see my screen? Yeah.
Connect.
Okay, screen mirroring. Check it, man.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I'm seeing your screen.
Okay. So kindly respond. So you already left the 43 minutes already gone. So now we'll start it. Okay.
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 Check it, man.
So hi and welcome to the 7 days online training session on Google Earth Engine for beginners to advanced remote sensing analysis. So basically this course, I am the course coordinator from Bangladesh, and this is our full course content. So first of all, I will try to discuss about our full course content. After 7 days completing this session, you are able to learn all of the things. Okay. So first of all, you can see I will try to discuss about the introduction to Google Earth Engine platform. Then how you can easily filtering and displaying the data. So it can be Landsat, Sentinel, or different types of data. How you can easily filtering and displaying the data on Google Earth Engine platform. And then how you can easily importing the raster and vector data in your Google Earth Engine platform. And then how to calculating the different types of with images. So mainly in this time we also try to discuss about the different kind of indices, how you can easily calculate the NDVI, NDWI, or any other indices, how you can easily perform with this platform. Then we also try to focus on the introduction to image classification. So we focus the introduction to image classification. Here we learned all of the classification of the supervised classification and supervised classification. All of the things we will learn from this in this part. Then also try to discuss about the land cover classification map. Suppose how we can easily make the land cover classification, different types of land cover classification. We also try to discuss lot of things about the land cover classification map. And then how you can easily exporting the raster and vector data from the Google Earth Engine platform. Then how to make the time series chart of NDVI or NDWI or other indices. How you can easily make this time series chart and make the time series analysis. Okay. So then spectral indices, we also try to discuss about the spectral indices and develop the skill for calculating any index. It can be NDVI, NDWI, or any other indices. How you can easily calculate this and show the result on Google Earth Engine and make the map. We also try to discuss all of the things. Then how to remove the cloud from your satellite your images. So mainly in this time I will try to discuss about that. So kindly your sound is this sound is the echo from your side. So kindly stop this, so that it will be better for me. Okay. So kindly stop this background sound or other sound. So that will be better for me. Then how to remove the cloud from your satellite images. So mainly in this time we also try to discuss about that, how you can easily remove the cloud from your satellite images using the Google Earth Engine platform and get a clear condition of satellite image. And then we also try to discuss about the visualization of digital elevation model or DEM data. How you can easily use the DEM data for making the hillshade map, for making the SOLP map, also making the aspect map. Then also try to discuss about that, how we can easily make the NDVI chart over a period of time. Then we move to the air quality monitoring. So mainly air quality monitoring. I also try to discuss about that how we can easily make the air quality monitoring in density map, suppose nitrogen dioxide density map or sulfur dioxide density map. Then also make to show how we can easily download the air quality parameters time series data in CSV file format. Also try to show you that how we can easily make the land cover classification chart in Google Earth Engine platform, and also try to focus the land surface temperature monitoring. So mainly in this time we also try to show you the temporal pattern in LST using the time series chart. Then how to calculate the average maximum minimum NDVI in Google Earth Engine platform, and finally how we can easily add the legend and title on your map. And then finally we can try to discuss about the how you can easily calculate it, the land cover classification every class's area. So basically, mainly in this course I will focus only for the beginners who don't have any programming language or who don't have any Earth Engine knowledge. So I hope after completing the total 7 days course online training session, you are able to do any remote sensing analysis using this platform. So first of all, do you have any experience with using the Google Earth Engine platform before? Anyone any experience about using this platform before?
They say you explain it so fast. Can you explain a bit little? Take your time, small, like you're so fast.
Okay. And do you have any experience with the programming language? Have no any programming language, suppose JavaScript, Python, C++, or other programming language? Have you any experience with programming language? Anyone?
Tasho, the man, she check that.
Just heard that, but
Okay.
So they just heard about it, but they don't know about it.
Okay, so mainly in this time, in this online training session, I focus only for the beginners who don't have any programming language or who don't have any Earth Engine knowledge for the remote sensing analysis. So I from this I also try to show you that all of the programming language which you need to learn the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so that's why as a beginners you don't worry for this. I also try to discuss all of the basic things, all of the beginners things which you need to learn the programming knowledge and apply this knowledge in Google Earth Engine platform. So I hope you can easily learn all of the things. So just keep in touch with me and just practice. So first of all, first day, today is our first day, and first day course content will be that first of all I also try to discuss about that introduction to Google Earth Engine. Then also try to discuss about the learn the basic principle of JavaScript syntax. So as a beginner you don't have any knowledge about the JavaScript programming language, so that's why I also try to show you that all of the basic things which you need to learn the JavaScript program and also apply this programming language in Google Earth Engine platform for remote sensing analysis. So I also try to discuss all of the things. Then I also try to discuss about the client and server object. So we also try to discuss all of the things from the client and server object and how you can get the server to execute your code. We also try to discuss about this. Then how you can easily importing the raster and vector data. How you can easily importing raster and vector data in Google Earth Engine platform from your local storage as well as also Google Earth Engine dataset. Okay, and import filter, reduce and clip and display the data in Google Earth Engine platform. So let's start. So first of all, introduction to Google Earth Engine platform. So first of all, in this part I will try to discuss about the what is the Google Earth Engine, then what is the application of Google Earth Engine, then how does the work, and what's the advantage of using the Google Earth Engine platform, and then how you can start this tool. Okay, so first of all, what is GEE? So GEE is the short form of Google Earth Engine. So mainly Google Earth Engine is a tool that perform the highly interactive scale for the global scale for global data analysis, and it is a cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis. So Google Earth Engine platform is a cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis. It combines lot of data set. This dataset can come from USGS, NASA, Google and more sources. So this data comes from the different sources, and in this platform we can easily access 40 years of satellite imagery. We can easily access all of the satellite imagery, and we don't need to download any satellite imagery. Okay, so we don't need to download any satellite imagery. We can just write our code, then we can easily get the all of the things, then we can easily get all of the satellite imagery. Okay, we can access our years of 40 years of satellite imagery. And if you have own data set, suppose if you have own data set, this data set can be vector or raster, you can easily upload this data set in Google Earth Engine platform, and you can easily get the result using the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, and you can apply the different types of algorithm to your data. Okay, so we can apply the different types of algorithm to our data, and finally we can easily export our map, we can easily export our image, we can easily export our table, we can easily export our different types of time series chart. Okay, we can easily get the output from the Google Earth Engine platform. So first of all, Google Earth Engine is a cloud based platform. Okay, so it is a cloud based platform, so that's why you don't need to download any software. When you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any software. Okay, and Google Earth Engine has a big data set. Okay, it has a big data set. Here this data set you can access over 40 years of satellite imagery, and if you have own data set, you can easily upload your own data set and use work it, and you can apply the different types of algorithm to your data, and finally you can export your image, you can export your time series chart, you can easily export your the different types of table, you can get the map, all of the things you can easily export it from the Google Earth Engine platform. In this time, what is the application of Google Earth Engine platform? Actually, there is a lot of application. We can do any remote sensing analysis using this platform. Okay, just we should know what is the algorithm. We just put our algorithm in the Google Earth Engine code editor, then we can easily get the this application result. Okay, so we can do any remote sensing analysis, we can do any remote sensing analysis using this platform. So here I mentioned some application. Here you can see we can easily use or determine or detecting the deforestation using this platform. We can also do for the classifying the land cover and land use map using this platform. We can also do for the estimating the forest biomass and carbon using this platform. We can also do for the mapping the world's roadless areas using this platform. We can also do for the assessment of plant health status. We can also do for the air quality monitoring, mainly Sentinel-5 data sensor, we can easily do it. We can also do for the water quality monitoring using this platform. Using the remote sensing technique, we can easily do for the water quality monitoring using this platform. We can also do for the flood mapping and damage assessment, calculate the damage assessment using this platform. We can also do for the drought monitoring using this platform. We can also do for the burn severity mapping, and so on application we can easily do using the Google Earth Engine platform than other software, just ArcMap or QGIS. And we also do for the land surface temperature monitoring using this platform. Actually, we can do any remote sensing analysis. We can do any remote sensing analysis very quickly and efficiently than other software, just ArcMap or QGIS or other geospatial software. Very quickly and efficiently we can get our result using the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so Google Earth Engine focused on the society's biggest challenges. So it mainly focused on the deforestation, also for the drought, also for the climate change, also for the disaster, also focus on the diseases, also focus on the global food security, also do for the sustainability. Okay, so first of all, why this is important at the present time, why are you using the Google Earth Engine platform? So mainly Google Earth Engine platform calculating the data at the global scale. We can get the data set globally. Okay, suppose you want to make a land cover classification map for the whole country boundary of China. Okay, if you want to do these things using the traditional software, just ArcMap or QGIS, then you need to lot of procedure. First of all, you need to download the satellite imagery, import the satellite imagery in ArcMap software or QGIS software, and then you need to process the lot of things. But when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any satellite imagery. You don't need to download any satellite imagery. Just you can write your code and you can get all of the satellite imagery, and you can do this work very quickly and efficiently. So first of all, it reduces your time to do analysis. Okay, it reduces your time to do analysis, and its computing power is the very fast. Okay, and you can access the petabytes of data. And Google Earth Engine platform has the some new feature. So using this feature, we can easily remove the cloud and haze from our satellite imagery. Okay, and it is the collaboration and the standardization by creating a common platform for global data analysis. We can do easily for monitor the global data, or common a platform for global data analysis. We can easily get all of the data set globally using this platform. But this Google Earth Engine has some advantage, also some disadvantage. You can see it has a lot of advantages. Okay, so first advantage is that you don't need to downloading any software, you don't need to downloading any dataset, you don't need to downloading any satellite imagery. Okay, so no downloading or local storage of imagery, you don't need to download anything. Okay, you can access petabytes of data or more on the way, and it is the computing power is the very fast. We can easily computing lot of data set very quickly and efficiently, and we can get the result. Okay, and it has some also disadvantages that you can see. You should know some programming knowledge. Okay, but in this time, I hope after completing the total 7 days course, you are able to know all of the programming language which are you need to learn the Google Earth Engine platform. And it's depend on your internet connection. If your internet connection is the good, then you can get the result very quickly and efficiently. Okay, and it primarily focus on the raster based imagery, and it has the lack of mature and detailed documentation. But I hope after completing this total 7 days online training, you are able to know all of the detailed documentation about the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so now how does the work? So mainly when you want to work with the Google Earth Engine platform, you need a code editor. Okay, so you need a code editor where you write your code. So first of all, you need to write your code. This code send a message to the Earth Engine server. In a matter of second, this server send you the response. Okay, so first of all, you need to write the code, custom of code. You write your code. This code send a message to the Google Earth Engine server. In a matter of second, this server send you a response. And its software type is the web processing or cloud computing. So this is a cloud computing or web processing. So that's why you don't need to download any software. And this is the main website of earthengine.google.org. This is the main website of Earth Engine. And you can see this accessibility must be online. When you want to work with the Google Earth Engine platform, you must be accessible is online. And requirement, when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you need to register with a valid Google account. Okay, then you can get the confirmation within 2 or 3 work days. You can get easily their code editor. They provide you a code editor. Then you can easily use this code editor and write your code. Okay, so do you have complete this process? Did you complete this process for registration? Anyone? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes. We will try to get it. We'll do it tonight. We'll get it in 2 to 3 days.
Okay, so did you complete this part?
Not yet.
Okay. So I also try to show you this part so that you can easily understand how we can do this. Okay. So now computer system is the online, then scope is the image processing and visualization, and vector it will work with the raster and vector data. So now how you can start this tool of Google Earth Engine tool? How you can start this tool? So first of all, you can see, you can simply go to this link. You can see this is the link, earthengine.google.com. This is our main link, earthengine.google.com. You can simply click on the sign up button. This is the sign up button. Simply click to here. Okay, then you can simply put your Google account. So you simply put your Google account Gmail. You can simply put your Gmail. then also put your password, then you can simply fill up this form. Okay, here you can see this is the form for Earth Engine. So you can simply fill up all of the things, your name, your affiliation, your institution type, your country, what you like to accomplish with Earth Engine. So this is the main question. You can try to describe this question more than 5 sentences. Okay, so what would you like to accomplish with Earth Engine? You try to describe this sentence more than 5 sentences. So then you can go to get this their code editor or get their authorization very quickly. So you can try to make the question answer with the 5 sentences, and then simply click on the I agree and I am interested to use the Google Earth Engine commercially and I am not robot. Simply click to here and then click to the submit. When you submit this, you can keep on Gmail, so you can get a message like this. Okay, then you can simply check your Gmail. You can see you can, when you want to get this authorization from the Google Earth Engine platform, then you can get the Gmail like this: welcome to Earth Engine. Now you can see you have to access Earth Engine code editor. Here you can see this is the Earth Engine code editor. So when you can simply click on this Earth Engine code editor, it will be going to this link code.earthengine.google.com and it appear at your code editor. So mainly you can see this is our code editor where we write our code. Okay, so in this time I just open this code editor and try to discuss all of the user interface about this code editor. So I simply open my code editor. So I simply go to my browser. And open a new tab. I simply put here. I already completed the registration. So if you don't complete your registration, you can also complete the registration. Then you can also access this code editor. Okay, and you face any problem regarding this registration, then you can just let me know. I also try to help you, no problem. So in this time here you can see when I simply go to this link, I can get the code editor. Okay, so this is our code editor. Mainly we can write our code in this code editor. Here you can see we can divide this code editor for a panel. So you can see this panel called the left panel, this panel called the middle panel, this panel called the right panel, and also it called the map interactive view. Okay, so in this time here you can see this is the middle panel, this panel called the editor panel. So this is the editor panel. Editor panel is that where you write your code and edit your code. So in this time you write your code in this this editor panel. So I can simply write the code, suppose print. I also discuss the later about all of the function, and then click to the run. You can see this is the run button. When I click to here, then it will be executed. So you can see this place, this middle panel, it's called the editor panel. Editor panel where you write your code. Okay, then also you can see this is the another right panel. So this right panel here you can find the inspector tab, also you can find the console tab, also you can find the tasks tab. So inspector tab, first of all inspector tab is mainly working for your map querying result. So inspector tab is mainly working for map querying result. Suppose you want to add a map of NDVI in this place. When you want to click on this map, in this you can get the NDVI value of this place. So in this time, in the default, when I want to click to here, I simply click to here. You can see I can get the this point, what is the longitude, latitude, zoom level and scale. When I click to here, I can get this place longitude, latitude, zoom level and scale. When I click to here, I can get the longitude, latitude, zoom level and scale about this point. Okay, so in it will be default showing look like this. But when you want to add here the NDVI map or any map, you want to check the value, then you can simply going the inspector tab and click on this map, then you can get the value. So inspector tab is mainly work for map querying result. Then console tab. So mainly console tab is working for printing your output. So in this time here you can see I want to print the hello world, this sentence I want to print hello world, so it will be showing the under the console tab. So console tab is mainly work for printing your output which you want to print, it will be showing under the console tab. Then tasks tab. So tasks tab is mainly work for the long running tasks. Suppose you want to import or export anything. Suppose you want to import some shape file or raster image, also you want to export some shape file or raster image, then this tasks tab will be running. So you also try to discuss later when you want to work with this tab, then you can easily understand. So tasks tab is mainly work for the long running tasks. You can also see this is the another panel, it's called the right panel. So right panel, here you can see script tab. So script tab is managing your all of the script which you already saved. So here you can see I already work with the different types of script. So I save the script, all of the script in here, and I need the script when anytime, then I can simply click on this script, then I can easily get the script in my code editor. So here you can see this is the code, I can get the code from the script tab. So script tab is mainly saved your all of the script. Then docs tab. So docs tab is your friend. You can get all of the documentation, all of the Earth Engine function documentation under the docs tab. Suppose you can see this is the function ee.date. You can simply click to here, also you can get all of the function. You can see about the ee.date. When you click to here, you can get all of the description about the function. You can see all of the description about this function. Okay, also you can see all of the argument about this function. Okay, so mainly we can get all of the documentation, all of the function from this docs tab. And asset tab. Asset tab is mainly managing your asset which you uploaded in your Google Earth Engine platform. So if you want to upload your shape file, if you want, you can upload your raster image, it will be stored under the asset tab. Okay, also you can see this is the get link button. Suppose you can see this is the code. I want to share this code with you so that you can also access this code. Then I simply click on this get link button. Here you can see this is the get link button. So when I simply click on the get link button and share this link with other person, then this person also access this code. Okay, so you can see when I click to copy links, click to here and share this code with other person, then this person also access. And when you can see I already saved this code under the save button. When I simply click to the save, it will be saved. I also put the name animation NDVI, and then it will be saved under this script tab. Okay, in this time also you can see run button. When I run this, you can see the result from here. You can see this is the result. Mainly it will be showing the animation of NDVI. I can get the result animation of NDVI between this time period, year of 2019 to 2000. You can see year of 2019. I can get this animation. What is the change of the NDVI between this time period? I want to get this in for the country of Bangladesh. Okay, suppose you want to share the animation with other person, you can simply copy this link and share this link. Then it will be also person will be access this animation. If I want to click to here, you can see then this animation also you can get like this. You can see this is the animation. Okay, so mainly we can get the animation from this code. Okay, also you can see run button, reset button. When I click on this reset button, it will be reset all of the clear map, inspector and console. When I click to reset, you can see it will be gone. Also you can see apps. Suppose you want to develop any application, you want to develop any web application, then you can simply click to the apps. It managing your all of the application of Earth Engine application. So in this time I want to show my gallery. I simply click on the gallery. Here you can see this is the gallery. In this gallery I can access all of the application which I already developed. Here you can see this is the one application, and anyone can go to my web application access from the link. So this is the link. You can easily access all of my application from this link. So here you can see agriculture drought, rainfed. Also you can see Bangladesh drought monitoring. Also you can see Bangladesh EVI, NDVI trend section. So I simply open this application so that you can easily understand. Also you can see chart over time period of Bangladesh. Also you can see another application leap area index. I also open it. So also you can see water quality analysis. So I simply open this app and try to show you this what is the working about the application. Okay, so here you can see this is the one kind of web application. So anyone can go to this web application from this link. So this is the web application link, and mainly this web application created the inspection chart of the NDVI and EVI trend. So it created the NDVI and EVI trend inspection chart. Okay, so when I click on this map, you can see I can get the two chart, you can see, and I also get here the lat long about this place, lat long, and I can get the EVI and what is the trend inspection. I want to get this inspection, you can see, and also I can get the NDVI chart and also get the inspection chart. You can see what is the trend. This is our trend line. Okay, so we can see, observe this trend line, NDVI is low. Also you can see this is the low. When I click on the other place, suppose I simply click to here, you can see for this lat long we can get the result. You can see for the NDVI trend line, you can see NDVI increasing day by day, NDVI increasing day by day. So this is our trend line. You can see I can get the trend line, also get the EVI also increasing, you can see. Okay, so also I click to here, you can see, then you can get what is the condition about the place. We can get the same thing. You can see the trend line, it will be increasing the NDVI, also you can see it will be increasing the EVI. Okay, we can also get the chart. Okay, mainly we can use this application for Bangladesh in making the NDVI trend inspection chart. Okay, also you can see this is the another app. So mainly this app we can use for making the time series chart of NDVI for Bangladesh. So when I simply click to here, you can see it will be generate the lat long, also generate the time series chart. You can see this is the time series chart. Or when I click to here, you can see we can get the time series chart about this point. Okay, about this point I can get the time series chart. When I click to here, I can get the another time series chart. Okay, you can see we can get the time series chart. And when you click to here, you can see this is the another button. When you click to here, then you can see it will be look like this. We can easily download the data in CSV file format, or we can download the data in Excel file. If you want to you can simply download the PNG, then it will be download the PNG file. Okay, also you can see this is the another index, leaf area index. So mainly this is the apps for the globally. We can easily globally monitor the leaf area index using this application. So I simply select my region of interest. Suppose this is my region of interest. I simply select this region of interest and click to here. It will be showing me time series chart as well as also showing the what is the condition about the leaf area index using this platform, you can see, and also generating the time series chart. Okay, also you can see this is the another application, this called the water quality analysis application. So mainly we can use this application for monitor the water quality for any specific region. Okay, so I want to show you this. Suppose I want to monitor this water quality in this lake or in this water body. I want to monitor the water quality analysis. So I simply select my time period. Suppose I simply in here, suppose I simply select the time period, suppose year of 2021, suppose January, suppose, okay, I simply select my time period. Also I select my another time period, suppose this time period is that. I simply select the time period, and then I also need to draw my ROI. So I simply draw my ROI. So I click to the draw ROI, and then I simply put this ROI in here. So I simply draw my ROI in here. Okay, so I simply draw my ROI. So it is my region of interest. So this is my ROI. So in this time I want to just what's the value I want to calculate it. So here you can select your calculation value. Suppose I want to calculate the turbidity. So I simply select the turbidity. Okay, and then click to the submit. So now it will be calculated about the turbidity of this place. Here you can see it calculated the turbidity as well as also calculated the time series chart of this turbidity. Here you can see turbidity time series chart between this time period which I selected, and also provided the animation of this turbidity. Okay, if you want to need the chlorophyll, you want to monitor the chlorophyll, simply click on the chlorophyll and click to the submit. So now it's showing the chlorophyll. You can see what is the condition about the chlorophyll, also provide you the chlorophyll time series chart. Okay, and when I click to here, you can see this is the another thing is a TSS. So I simply select the TSS and then I click to the submit. Okay, so now you can see it will be showing the condition of the total suspended solid or TSS, what is the condition of the TSS on this place, we can easily observe using this. You can see we also get the time series chart about this, when the turbidity will be high or low. If you want to need the chart, simply click to here, then you can see this chart will be look like this. Okay, we can easily observe that. You can see this is the turbidity will be high or low, when the turbidity will be low, we can easily access the turbidity high and low from here. Okay, and if you want to download the data CSV file format, simply click to the download. Also need the picture or image, then simply download the image. Okay, so in this time here you can see all of the function about our Google Earth Engine platform. So you can easily develop any function, and we can easily make the Google Earth Engine platform in this function. And also you can see this is the another thing, so it's called the map interactive view. Also you can see this is the hand tool. Also you can see this is the zoom in and zoom out. Also you can see you can easily make the different types of, when you click to the marker, also you can see line, also you can see draw the shape, also the rectangular. You can use the different types of point, line, polygon, vector format in also in here. Okay, so also you can see if you want to need the satellite view map, simply click on the satellite. So now you can see the satellite view map in here. Okay, so we can do the lot of things using this platform. So I hope you are able to learn all of the things within the 7 days. So just keep in touch with me, then we also try to finish our total 7 days online training session. And mainly this training session will be taken the 3 hours. Okay, and 2 hours I will provide you the live training, and 1 hours is your problem solving class. Suppose when you face any problem regarding this class, then we also try to discuss this class about the next day. Okay, so we also try to show you the problem solving class. This is the 1 hour, and 2 hours is our live training session. Okay, also you can see this is the another thing, this is a search bar. So when you want to need any data set, you can simply search in here, then you can get the data set, or search any place, then you can also get this. Okay, so now if you have a question, you can ask me any question about this interface. You can ask me any question or any doubt about this user interface. Ask me. Anyone, any question? Hello, any question?
Yes, I was explaining to them that you're going to teach for 2 hours, and 1 hour will be used for practical.
Yeah, so 2 hours is the live training session, and 1 hours is the practice session. So when you want to face any problem regarding these classes, then you also get the problem solving class 1 hour, and 2 hours I also provide you the live training session. Okay,
Tasha, you may have went in. She's asking if we have an assignment today. Will there be an assignment today?
okay, so I also put the assignment, no problem. So our class is, yeah. So in this time which I discuss about the user interface of Earth Engine platform, if you have any question, you can ask me about this user interface of Earth Engine. Any question?
No.
Okay, so I will simply go to my next slide and try to discuss the later.
So the fine is this.
So in this time I will try to discuss about the sharing script. Suppose you want to share the code with other person, you can simply click on the get link button, and then simply click share the copy the link and share the link with other person. Okay, in this time I also try to discuss about the learn the basic principle of JavaScript syntax. So mainly as a beginners, you don't know what is the programming knowledge about the JavaScript. So that's why you also should learn about the basic principle of JavaScript syntax. So in this time we also try to discuss about the print, then string, then numbers, then comments, then list, then dictionaries, then function. Okay, so I will try to show you all of the things in our practical side so that you can easily understand. So I simply open my code editor and remove all of the things. Okay, I also remove it. So I simply open my code editor.